up there again? I don't think it's far enough.
That's great, Noni.
Is that cold? Is it cold? Ooh, brr.
Zoom in for just a second, please. There
Look
we
at
go.
Daddy.
Hi.
Smile. Great smile.
Look at the beach.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Looking at the picture.
Yeah, that's pretty.
You like sitting up there? Brr, you're gonna get cold. Oh, you don't want to get down?
You want to stay up there, huh? You like
know
that
what? Your
snowman.
bottom's gonna freeze.
Can you smile? Ha ha, that nice smile. Boy, Noni, you are beautiful. You like your snowman? Oh, it's cold outside, isn't it? Feel that wind?
I'm gonna put my foot on too.
Zipping up.
That's amazing how cold.
Well, they said it's going down like funny. You want to go sled in the backyard? Want to
Turning blue.
go sled in the backyard?
Ready?
Come on.
Okay.
Come on, Doug.
All right.
Go this way.
We'll go around the back. So let's see what kind of progress the Mopar 30 made going.
Okay, Bob.
Clean up job as they should. A lot of debris around us.
Oh, can you get a shot of the Christmas tree? The dead Christmas tree?
Oh my goodness.
And this is January what?
I don't know.
No, just layer on it. Head first.
Head first?
Ready?
Down there?
You're gonna fly. Ready? Sledding! Sledding! See, just get on it. Jump on it. She was laughing.
You want to do it again?
No.
No.
Sit on it.
Here, you want to sit on it? I'll help you. Here you go. Sit on it.
Come on! Get down here. Oh, you gotta see the face.
Like Daddy.
Come on! Yay! Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's good. Oh,
That's great.
that was good. Here, Daddy wants to do it.
That's sledding.
Here, hold my camera.
Watch out, Nora. Woo! Watch out for Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Look, Noni!
Isn't that funny?
Okay, Noni.
Mama, hold you. Mama.
Watch Daddy. Here he comes. Slow going.
Yay.
Pretty funny. You want to try it, Doug?
No thanks.
Your mommy's going to go try it. You want to go to Daddy? Want me to hold you? Okay.
Mama hold you.
You want to sled down again?
No.
Wasn't it fun? You were laughing.
You want to do it one more time?
Let's do it one more time. Okay? You want to lay on your belly or you want to sit?
Come on.
No.
Let's do this. Fun. Okay, well, here you go, Daddy.
Hey, look out, it's getting away.
Let
You were laughing.
Let's let Daddy.
You look so funny. Whoa. Okay.
Here goes Daddy.
The luge. Whoa.
That's great. Works pretty good, huh?
You want to ride on Daddy? Want to ride on Mommy?
You want me to sit on it with you?
Ride with Mommy.
We'll sit on it together. I'll sit on it with you. I don't know if it'll work.
Lay back. Lay her on your belly.
Here we go. Woo! That's good. That's a good ride. Did you hear her giggling?
Yeah.
Oh, now we gotta get up. Oh, you wanna do it again? Oh. Let's do it again. Come on.
Yay, yay.